Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-3950. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. What you need to do is use up arrow button, go to the Wi-Fi network, go up arrow, it will highlight to the ink. Then you select button to the right, you go to Wi-Fi network, select on it, select connection method. So you have Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi direct. So you select the Wi-Fi network, then you select OK. Connection via wireless router. You select start, setup, Wi-Fi wizard setup. It's searching for the network. So what it's doing now is searching for the wireless router. You look on the list and check your network. So the network is found, then you select OK, enter password. Then you select OK. We'll bring out a keyboard for you to enter the password. So I have the information here. So I'm going to put the details. So if we select the detail, then you select OK to proceed. If you want capital letter, you need to select up arrow to change it to capital letter. If you want to lower the capital, then you select up arrow again, it will lower the capital. So after you're done, then you go all the way to the end and select OK. So go all the way to the end, then select OK. Then you select, scroll down and select Start Setup. Connecting to wireless router. Setup complete. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network from the printer screen. After you connected this printer to Wi-Fi network, if you want to add it to your laptop or PC, you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to printers and scanners. Add a device. So you need to add a device. Then the printer is found, Epson ET-3950 series is found. Then select add device. It's connecting. Is installing. The printer is now showing us ready. If you select on the printer is showing us it is idle. Print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Color support, yes. Port name, WSD. Data raw. Print processor, WinPrint. So this is how to, and this window. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, then add it to your computer and print out the test page. If you want to scan documents from this printer to the computer, you go to the printer settings, then open glass scanner, then stick the document you want to scan, face down, close it, Then select auto configured, file name PNG, select more. Then you select where you want to save it. We want to save it in the document section. Then you select scan. Then you select view. Then you select just once with photo. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, then you select print icon. This document is already saved in this computer. Change it to portrait. Make sure you select the correct printer. Then you select print. This is the document we printed out. Thank you very much indeed.